Everyone's nightmare. How do you help your wife or husband improve their credit condition when they're married? You know, it's a very difficult political thing within a family to make that happen. Well, the easiest way is to make your payments on time, because your credit history will build together. But in order to make that work, that loan for sure has to show in the name of your spouse that may have the credit issue or lack of credit history in the past, where in essence one spouse guarantees the loan for another. As those payments are made, credit for making those loans on time, making payments for those loans on time will show in your credit history, and banks then will be more willing to loan to that person at some point in the future. The other way to do it would be for somebody to guarantee a loan for a spouse alone. Now, legally, in most states, both spouses would be on the hook for that loan. But nonetheless, from the bank's point of view, if your husband or wife went out and borrowed money and their dad or their mom or their company guaranteed that loan, well, the bank will probably then be more willing to make the loan back to your spouse. And again, as long as those payments are made on time, credit history builds the right way in that person's name, and they'll be able to go back in a year or two to that bank and say, look, I've done well here over the last year, I've made all my payments on time, and they will then, your credit score will be high, they'll be willing to make you loans at a lower rate of interest than you would have had in the past. I'm Roger Groh.